Why is Coca-Cola still being the most selling drink in the world? Does it have to do with its flavor, or could be related to how do they spend its money? Let's find out. In today's video, we are going to understand the Coca-Cola's spend strategy and what percentage has been focused on marketing around the globe. First, let's understand an interesting concept about how the world of ideas rules our society. There has been a few years since Karl Marx, a German philosopher who lived in the 19th century, introduced the concept of superstructure. There he said that our society has built up their foundations in three main layers. In first place, the infrastructure. Everything that is related to the tangible stuff, such as highways, buildings, machines. In second, the structure. All that has to do with the way human organizes life, such as government, laws, and culture. But in third, he mentions the superstructure, the world of ideas. And this last concept is the one that Coca-Cola has been leading by far. If we analyze Coca-Cola's annual expenses, we can see the reason of its success. Let's make the math. From every dollar they made, 25% corresponds to profit. Then, the percentage of money they spend in infrastructure is less than 12%. Everything related to buildings, fabrics, and trucks. Then, they spend 21% in structure. Everything they need to organize their activities. So that leaves us with 42%, which Coca-Cola focused so aggressively in superstructure. In other words, marketing. Now you see why Coca-Cola is still being the king. But how can we apply Coca-Cola's successful story in our business? Let's see. First, we should analyze, just as Coca-Cola's example, our cost structure and clarify the percentage of money we have been focusing on each layer: infrastructure, structure, and superstructure. Second, we should focus our thoughts in the business superstructure. What have you done in this area? And third, you should get familiarized with testing your concept before you start spending in infrastructure and structure. Most new businesses do it backwards. As you could see, understanding superstructure concept and they apply to our customers' business help us to understand better the way they should spend every dollar. A key point. I hope you have found some value in today's video. If you want to be in contact with us, you can subscribe to our channel or visit our website. You can find the link in the description. See you the next time.